Okay, welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. Merlina Dura at your service, and we are here outside. We're just walking to delete what is in your mind. Guys, outside near the vicinity of my workplace is that they are going to make Riyadh green. Okay, there, that's what the propose. See the green there, green. And that's what they are going to do. And this is basically little garden of the hotel cafe there. And then for our here we will take a look what's in here, or see here. This is the not the excavation, it is for lifting the gravels or everything, the sand or the soil from the excavation machine. So this is it. They are going to do maybe this here. What is this? They will going to plant some, because it is Riyadh will be green. Okay, so maybe more beautification from besides of the, we have here the trees grown already, grown trees. This is from the island of the road. Maybe half of this like that. They will add more to become more green Riyadh. Okay, so more beautiful city of Riyadh, more beautiful city of Riyadh. See, there is already green here, guys, but of course, who don't like green place, isn't it? It is beautiful to look at if you are going to be in the place where there is a green plants, flowers. This is what I love also, a greener and beautiful to look at, of course. You see, I can hear the birds. Oh, there is a birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. There's the bird there. Tweet, tweet, tweet. They are, even the bird are happy to fly in the branches, jumping, flying, jumping in the branches. where they are looking for something to eat, you know. Okay guys, thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you for watching. This is Merlina Dura, our YouTube channel. I love you all.